0.005 divided by 2. Okay, here 2 is a divisor. Look, we need to have multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6. To find out the multiplication table of 2 easily, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Okay, look, 2 goes into the 0 how many times? 2 goes into 0 0 times. Write 0. 0 times 2 0. If you subtract, then you are getting 0. Bring down this 0. But before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into, since you have brought down, so 2 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 2 0. Subtract 0. Bring down this 0. 2 goes into this 0 0 times. 0 times 2 0. If you subtract, you are getting 0. Bring down this 5. 2 goes into 5 how many times? 2 times 3 6, which is getter. 2 times 2 4. So we have to stop here. So write 2. 2 times 2 4. If you subtract, you are getting 1. Now to continue this process, what you will do, since this is a decimal number, so you can add any number of tailing 0. So bring down this 0. So you are getting 10. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 2 goes into 10 5 times. Write 5. 5 times 2, 10. Now subtract, you are getting 0. Since your remainder is 0, so you can stop here. So 0.0025 is your answer.